So we're going to play our first note on the cello, which is going to be a pizzicato note. We're going to pluck it, and we're going to do just first finger. And why do we start that way, and what are we listening for? Well, we start with pizzicato because actually the plucking is less forgiving of the left hand than the bow. Why do we want less forgiving? Wouldn't more forgiving be better for a beginner? Well, I'll tell you why. It's because the bow can trick us as a beginner into thinking we've gotten the arm weight down, that we've gotten the first finger all the way down, because you can always get some kind of sound out of the instrument regardless of how far you get the string down when you're using the bow. When I pluck, if I don't have the string down all the way with my finger, I get this thud. And what I'm listening for is the full ring, all right, the full sonority of the string, like this. This means I've gotten the string down all the way, or I've gotten it down the correct distance here with my finger. If I hear this, then I'm not getting enough weight. Okay, I'm not getting the finger down, and I've got to get my hand a little stronger. And so plucking is what helps me develop that left hand strength correctly to get the sound that I need. Okay, so here we go. Let's do it together. Find your first finger. All right, if you're using tape, make sure your first finger is on that first finger tape. I'm going to get ready, and we're on the D string. Sorry, on the D string here. Okay, get ready. And did you hear an E? Did you hear it ring out like this? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Let's do it on the A string. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We just played the note B. All right. So no matter what finger you are putting down, first finger, third finger, fourth finger for now, second finger we get to later, right? You're listening for yes, okay, and not, well, open string, sorry. This thud sound is what we don't want. We want this, or this. Here's what it sounds like on the A string. That's my fingers not getting the string down all the way. All right, so practice with that first finger, okay? Really get a good sound in your ear, that ringing sound of the string with the full ring, full sonority of the instrument, okay? And if you need the next video in this playlist of the beginner cello course, click right here if you're not already in the playlist.